What's up everyone, I'm DREADPOOL, and today we have an unboxing of the DREADite Neo. So, took a while for this to come in. I couldn't purchase it right as it came out, so today's the day. Not only did they tape it, they glued it down. Jesus. Oh, let's go for the pull tab. Makes it easier that way. Packing slip. Neo.
Good.
Alright, so it's about the size of my palm. Well, my hand.
And delicious. Okay. Thanks. Yeah. That's
And two propellers.
pretty good to it.
Bunch of stickers. So there you go. There's the DJI Neo in all its miniature glory. So check out DREADPOOL FPV, and I'll have some videos from this thing once I update this and bind it and all that fun stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you like this unboxing. Try to make it a little different for you. If you like these kind of things, like and subscribe, share it out please. It would be most beneficial to the channel, and you know, getting you better content. Thanks again.